Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the microphone not working on NVIDIA app. So right now if you're trying to use your NVIDIA app, the microphone is not working and you're having a lot of trouble, and how you can fix this up. So we can directly get into this step. So the first one is all about, in order to fix the issue, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, search for the control panel over here. The first one, just click on the control panel, and right now what we need to do is over here in the category that should be changed it into the large icons. Once you change that into the large icon, just need to go over here in the sound over here. Right now if you scroll down, you can see this is over here. Right now as you can see, mine has already been set into the default USB audio device as the default. So you need to select one as a default one and make sure that you set it as a default one. Right now, apart from this, no other speakers are set into the default, only this has been set into the default, which means you have to set one speaker as a default or else you'll be having these kind of trouble. After this is cross-check, no other things are set as a default one, and this is the one which is set as a default, and make sure that it means click on set as a default. Right now this set default is grayed out for me because it has already been default one. So after this, what we need to do is we just need to make sure that you need to disable all other speakers over here, and only one has been kept as a default one. Once you're done with this one, we just need to scroll down over here and directly navigate to the NVIDIA. Now we need to open the NVIDIA overlay. So to open the NVIDIA overlay, what we need to do is we just need to press Alt and Z from the keyboard. That will take you to this. Don't forget, you just need to press Alt and Z together. That will take you to this. And right now what we need to do is over here you can see there is a microphone. So right now it has been set into always on. So what we need to do is change this to off. That's what you have to do as the first one. Now we just need to go over here in the instant replay. Over here you have to select this one, and right now as you can see the instant replay is actually turned on, so you have to turn this off as well. So you have to turn off the instant replay, and once you're done with this one, what we need to do is we just need to go over here, and what we need to do is just go to the settings over here, and we need to go to the audio. Right now in the audio, what we need to do is just make sure one thing, that should be selected the source or the microphone should be selected the right one. Right now I have three options: USB audio device, microphone array, and even the microphone 80 stereo microphone. So here I have to select this, set the default one which I set in the control panel. So right now if I cross check over here in the control panel, as you can see, if I go to the control panel, right now if for the cross-checking, if I go to the sound, right now as you can see this particular speaker USB audio device is being set into the default one. Similarly I have to do the same over here in the NVIDIA as well. So just go over here in the settings, not this particular settings, you have to press over here. Once again you have to go to the NVIDIA app, you have to open in the NVIDIA, and right now what we need to just press Alt and Z so that we're getting the NVIDIA overlay, and right now click on the screen or gear icon and go to the audio. Right now we need to select the right one. USB audio device should be selected, not this one. So you have to select the right default audio device. Once you select this one, what we need to do is once afterwards you just need to go back over here. You have to go back. Now go back to the once again, and you can directly navigate to the instant replay, and you have to turn this on. Once the instant replay is turned on, and you have to go back to once again, and there is a microphone which we turn on the microphone to always on as well. Once the microphone is up and on, you have to close this, and you have to close this, and you have to go over here. As you can see, there is an option over here. Right click on this one, or you can directly click over here. You can just click over here like this, and you can directly go for open volume mixer or sound settings. In the sound setting, what we need to do is right now, as you can see, for the input you have to select the right one. So right now if you have selected any wrong input over here, right now you will be having the trouble. So make sure that you selected the right one over here, and rest everything can be removed. That's what you have to do. So these things can be done when it comes to how to fix the microphone is not working on an NVIDIA app, and how you can fix this up. I hope this quick video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.